All right, so I just got here in the pit. The engine is still hot. The exhaust system is still hot. So we're gonna let it cool off a little bit. But while it's cooling off, I want to spray with WD-40 on the bolts and also the hangers. Okay, from the back side. Bolt. And here's the bolt. Let's go underneath the other side. There's the bolt right there. Now working towards the front. There's the hanger right there. Then facing the front again, here's the bolt. And there's the last one right here. As you can see, it's still hot. So I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit. You got to remove this and those two. And if you look in the back, we got to remove this. Okay, so I'm gonna put the resonator right here. As you can see, I'll put the resonator right here. Deeper socket. Alright, so I'm gonna need a deeper socket than this, but I'll just use this 14. Alright, so what I'm trying to do is trying to squeeze it in there so it'll hold by itself. Now if you look up here, I'm trying to put this in between this and this, but I want to get closer to the tire. Alright guys, I tightened this one up. Okay, and it's holding up the resonator. And this is where I want it. Looking from the bottom up, looking up. That's where I want it. Make sure that this end is higher than this end, so that it'll drain water. No water will collect in this resonator. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark this all the way around. All right, this is the marker I'm gonna use. This one. I'm gonna try to mark this one up. I gotta put the phone off though. So now I'm gonna take off the resonator. Okay, now that I'm done marking it. Okay, as you can see, there's a mark that I made right there where the resonator is supposed to be, and here's the resonator. I removed it. So I'm gonna remove the hanger. Oh, actually, we're just gonna loosen up the hanger with this hammer here. So basically, I'm gonna do like so. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this to loosen it up. See how I'm doing that? I'm just gonna okay, right there. You see how I got that? Right there. I'm gonna loosen it up with this one for the remaining hangers. Okay, so I'm done with the hangers. Alright. Size 14 millimeter. I'm gonna loosen and remove this bolts. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna loosen this one up, and then loose this one up right here. Then I'll remove the whole stock system. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is remove this tailpiece. The tailpiece first. Remove this one. Then I'll remove the rest of the unit. Oh. This is a number 12, not a 14, 12. Alright, now that it's off, okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna twist this to pull this off. Alright, so to take that off, I'm gonna try to remove it from the hanger first and then use both hands to remove this tailpiece. Now you can see the tailpiece is off now. And there's my markings. So I'm gonna put this right here. And then I'm gonna mark my center of the pipe. So that's the center. I'm gonna put the drill pilot right here. Alright, so there's the drill. Mark the center. That's where it's gonna go. Right there. My drill pilot is gonna be right there. I'll drill a hole. This gasket right here is about $25 from the dealer. So what you're gonna do, you wanna save this thing by taping it. Alright, see? Got the hole already. Right there. The only thing that's left is this unit here. I'm gonna take out the bolts here. And the bolts here. That's the number 14 millimeter. Okay, it's been removed. Both the exhausts, or the whole exhaust system, is off. Okay, there's gaskets here. See that right here? Be careful not to break them. Okay, there's another one right there. Alright, so there's gasket here, gasket there, be careful. Alright, it's time to install the main system. The one on the right is the stock system, and you can see that it's bigger than the one on the left. The one on the left is the 6-inch Tundra BaMuffler system.